Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the design of the part model. Here, click on this part. We can see the drawing layout over here. Make sure the unit is in millimeter gram second. Now click on the top plane and go into drawing model command or the sketch command over here. Click on center rectangle. We need to draw a square and give the dimensions 68. Click OK. Then give extruded boss base. Give the value 15. Click OK. Now click on this surface. Click on this plane here. So the top face, the total height is 42. So we need to give an offset distance of 27. Then click on OK. Then on sketch command again we need to draw another square over here and give the dimension 48. And click on OK. Then on the features command, just extrude a value to over here, change the direction, click on OK. Then here, click on loft base command and here we can see the lofted surface. Then click on OK. Again, we need to slot on the top face. So click on this surface, go into sketch command. We can use the slot option here. So on the center point, we just draw a slot over here and the value, we need to give the value here, the smart dimension So the radius will be 9. Click on OK. Then coming to the Features tab, click on Extruded Cut and give the value as 15. Then click on OK. So we get the slot over here. Now click on the front plane over here. Now click on the midpoint line. So give the value. Here it's 32. Click on Enter. Now we can offset this entity to the value 9. So click on Offset and give the value 9. Reverse the direction. Click on OK. We need to add 6 mm here. Likewise, we can mirror this, or we can move and copy this entity from this point here. Click on OK. Then again, we can connect these points over here and also connect this end. Click on OK. Then on the Features tab, click on Extrude Boss Base. We can use the Extrude Cut. Click on that surface. The value will be 68. Or we can just put through all, or we can click the surface and show the surface. So we can go through any of this feature, then click OK. So here the object is ready. Now we going to make drawing from part. Machine part 3. Save. Click on A3. Click on OK. Now right click, go to the sheet properties, make sure it is in first angle, apply changes. Then from the view palette, click on the front view, click and drag it over here. Then here, this is the top view, and here, this is the side view, and here, this is the isometric view. Click on OK. Here we can change into, we can see the hidden edges over here, and we can click here and make this as a solid object and click OK. And coming to the annotation, click on the then click on the model items. If I click here, we can see the two dimensions, and we can do the click OK. We can do the smart dimension after that, or we can take the horizontal and vertical dimension separately. Here it's 48, it's 18, 15, 15. And we take the vertical dimension, 42, 9, 15. So hope we plot almost all dimensions. You can make sure it is neatly arranged. Click on OK. Then on the sheet format, type your name and roll number. Click on OK. Then come back to the sheet. Go to the page setup. Make sure it is an A3 landscape. Then go to the preview. So everything is neatly arranged. Click on print. Click OK. Give the name. Save. Click on save. And we can check the PDF. So everything is neatly arranged. Thank you.